can smack it through the plane or something if you want beforehand. Here we go. Cut the sides. So you want your scrap bit that's left over, so you do the same as that. Just cut the sides off. You've got to cut. You don't need to cut the sides with that, but depends. Draw your picture out. Draw your face out. You can sort of see it. Just draw out whatever you want, whatever design you want. Drill out whatever, cut around with your jigsaw or scroll saw, whatever you use. Just drill out near the line so you can get close to the line, cut it out, and then we'll go from there. So yeah, just drill close to the edge. Doesn't have to be. Out with old rust, file, just give all the edges a bit of a clean up. That's me, I love it. Just he's beautiful. Well, let's start smashing it together. I'm using screws, drilling holes and screws because do it a world of good. Wait for the glue to come back. So here we are. I've just got it clamped up on some couple of little boo-boos I've done. Had a screw come out the side there, but yep, she's all fixed. That yeah, so what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to put some plugs in these. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty cool. This is another one I sort of I've done of the face. Yeah, so that might be one I'll make up for us. Here we are. We're back again. Box upside down, but never mind. So yeah, I've cut my plugs. I don't know if we got it on camera or not, but yeah, I just cut all these little ones. I just poke them in. Like and subscribe so you know, I can keep pumping. I'm enjoying doing a little bit of woodwork, but I'll do a few other bits and pieces here and there that I'll show you. So here we are. So I just cut this this off that bit of scrap wood that I had left over from our thing. Okay, so cut it to fit, to slot in the bottom there. Okay, so do that, and I've just cut a couple of or cut in a couple of strips. Okay, so you want a strip to go across. It's 2 strips. Need this. So we're just going to whack those across there like so. Just glue them, nail them, whatever you want to do, so that sits in whatever you're going to use in the way of your candle. This is what I'm using. It's little jars with candles in them. I might actually take this stuff off. Actually, we don't need that. So I use these little jars I got from market, real cheap. I put that up against it like so. So you got those there, 2 going across there. So we need another one in here and another one on the other side. So I'll cut those and we'll come back to you. Yep, just bit of goo on them. Goobity goobity goo. Goo we go. Just stick it on. Doesn't need to be perfect. This is, you know, unseen. This is just to hold your thing in. Keep it nice and just, yeah, keep it there, even though it's one that you just sit there on the veranda. This one ain't really made to carry around, just to sit there on your veranda. But anyway, yeah, we'll get in there. Here we are. Just cut out a bit and glued a couple of bits around just so that jar sits in there. This is what I'm using. And yeah, it'll go on the bottom. Nailed on. I've banged this on. Done the same here. I've just cut a piece out and nailed it onto this. So that's our lid. So I still haven't finished, but we're getting there. Let's do this over here. So glued that on. So we'll just whack this in now. Should just get it nicely, so it just taps in. Screw gun. Plug these couple of holes up too, just because I'm missing screws. Take that in. Alright, to this. Alright. So we've got our lid. Now that lid on, so it fits nicely. Have to just, you know, you just sand the edges and that so it sits in, slides in and out nicely. So that's the idea of, so you can put your candle down in there. There's a candle. Drop it down in there. Whatever, you can put a bit bigger candle in there if you want. Lid on. So the next step is I'm going to whack that on there, and then I'm going to go find a bit of stick, or a bit of a stick handle or something, maybe something like that, and clean up the eyes here a bit. And yeah, I'll be straight back with you. I'll just go find us a stick somewhere. So here we go. Found a bit of a stick. This. Okay. Saw. One of our saws. This one here will do it. I like this one. It's a good saw. I love this saw for some reason. But yeah, just however long you want it. And I'm going to cut a bit of an angle so it sort of goes on holds on a bit of an angle. I was right on that side. That's it. So beautiful. That'll sit there. That'll sit on there like here somehow. Maybe. Yeah, straighten that up. It's just a bit of scrap wood left over. So yeah, if I'll come back to you, we'll just nail this on here. I'm just holding the camera and my gimbal's gone flat, so yeah, I'm just want to finish the video, you see, so yeah, I'm just holding the camera, so I'll nail this on here, okay, nail this onto this, and then we're going to glue that on there over the nail so you can't see the nail, but I might have to whack a nail in this too, something, you know, but I'm going to scrape the bark off this, so we're back to the wood, okay, so yeah, just hang with us, and while you're watching, guys, please like and subscribe, comment if you like. Yeah, I'm going to make a couple of different style ones, you know, of these. So yeah, I'll have another one coming up soon. Yeah, but a bit different. Here we are. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put a little tack in this just to hold it there, some glue and just a little nail because it's not going to sit there. So we'll get that done now. Love it. On. Candle inside there. So up to you guys what colour you paint them. All on these bits, clean them all up. But I'll get into that, I'll do that because I'm holding on to the camera and it's a bit hard. And yeah, please. So here we go. So please like, subscribe, comment, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you on the next one.